Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Acura MDX with the key. When your key fob battery dies, it can be frustrating, but there's a simple solution. Your Acura MDX key fob actually has a hidden physical key inside. This method is crucial for those times when your remote entry isn't working, ensuring you can always get your vehicle running. Let's dive into how to access and use it. First, you'll need to retrieve the physical key from your fob. Look for a small release button, usually on the side or back of the fob. Press this button firmly, and the metal key blade will slide right out. Once you have the physical key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key to unlock the door, gaining entry to your vehicle. Now that you're inside, here's the trick to starting the engine. Even with a dead fob battery, the car can still read the chip inside. Place your key fob directly against the push-to-start button on your dashboard. While holding the fob there, press down on the brake pedal firmly. Then, simply press the start button as you normally would. Your Acura MDX should now start right up. After successfully starting your vehicle, remember to replace your key fob battery promptly to avoid future issues. If your car still doesn't start after trying this method, it might indicate a different problem, such as a dead car battery, so consider having that checked. And speaking of staying prepared, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.